Yeah, we wasn't able to take videos of us packing up these computer stuff that we're about to return to her office because the work from home has ended. Okay, that's it. We just dropped off our stuff from her office. The wife is taking me videos now. He's in charge of taking videos of me. Yeah, actually the channel is just... Yeah, it's for the two of us. That's why it calls the Queen City Ink, because I like the name. And the Queen City of the South, we're tattoo artists, so we put names after the ink. And now we're about to treat ourselves after those a lot of stuff that we've been carrying from the house to the building. And luckily we have this helpful security guard who assists us. He's like carrying the half of it, right?
He volunteered.
Yeah, he volunteered. He carried half of it.
So nice of him.
Yes, so nice of him. And I said, the bright side about this the end of the work from home thing is, yeah, it all comes back to normal slowly. Yeah. We are less than 300 cases now. Hopefully it won't gonna happen the thing that all the people has been terrified about the second wave thing. I hope it won't happen. That's why I'm telling my wife, please, yeah, don't stress on it, because yeah, as long as we follow the health protocols or the all the stuff like that, we're safe. Yeah, I know that.
You can take that away from me.
I can. That's why I'm not tolerating you. So we're about to treat ourselves in a place. Got a whole place for the two of us, and yeah, it's actually 2 tables, and we're just waiting for them to finish, and yeah, for their privacy. And now I'll be able to talk in this camera, and it's been 8 months, 9 months. We finally back here in our favorite Korean restaurant, the Sumar. Yeah, one of our favorite Korean restaurants. It's nice to be back. Yeah. day, it means it's all getting back to normal again.